Hi, good afternoon! Welcome in our channel, World of ABC. So, kung nakikita nyo, kaming dalawa lang, ni Bunso, ni BJ Junior, kasi mag-watch kami ng
Lemon Bingo!
The reason why kaming dalawa lang ni BJ kasi si Mami may work pa tonight at kailangan pa niya magpahinga, and then si ate niya may ginagawang assignment sa house.
Daddy, she's phoning.
She's phoning ba?
Let's watch Lemon Bingo Shop in
Ano yun? Ano yun?
I'm excited to watch Bingo and Blue Shop.
Ayusin mo salita mo. Ano yun?
I'm excited to watch Blue and Bingo Show.
Excited daw ang bata.
Ma'am
Try muna si Daddy. Bye-bye. Ano sabihin mo?
Babalik kami, guys. Quality time with Daddy. Yeah.
Quality time with Daddy. Yay! Mwah!
Wah. Daddy, yes, what to say?
Hey guys, while waiting, mag-eat muna kami ni Bunso, ni BJ ng Siopaw. Kasi 3 o'clock pa mag-i-start yung program. Nanak na.
They're still getting ready. I want to ask you, who here loves to play games? Can you read? You love to play games? How about who here? Oh my God! Who here loves? One is a lovable
Labas na siya.
pup who's always ready for an adventure. What's the name? Alright. And the other is her sweet, energetic sister who never says no to a game of magic telephone. And the better one, let's give a big round of applause and the warmest Filipino welcome to Bluey and Bingo!
Clap, 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 clap. Clap, clap, hands. Clap your hands. Ayun na sila, oh. Yay! Kita mo na siya. Paano, Gri? Paano, Bras? Freeze?
Okay, next dance we are already
Daddy stop.
shake it out.
Oh, freeze? BJ, are you ready? Are you ready? Don't make the ball fall, ha?
Yes, okay, let's play. Keep me happy.
Oh! Yun na, Vijay, catch! Go, 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 go! Go! Ah! It's okay, it's okay, it's okay, it's okay. Samtong Vijay, tap mo ha. Oh! Vijay, tap mo ha. Yeah. Come here, please.